Hello everyone and welcome! Ever wondered how we know if learning is actually happening? How do teachers, or even you, if you are learning something new, figure out what's been understood and what needs more work? It all comes down to understanding a few key concepts about assessment. So today, we are going to break down the five major building blocks of assessments in learning, which are the tests, testing, measurement, evaluation, and assessment. So our first concept is the test. So what is a test? Well, a test is a tool or instrument designed to measure knowledge, skills, or abilities. It is a method to determine a student's ability to complete certain tasks or demonstrate knowledge of a skill or content. Its purpose is to gauge a student's understanding at a specific point in time. So there are many types of tests. Some examples include achievement tests, or what you've learned, aptitude tests, or your potential, diagnostic tests, or identifying specific weaknesses, formative tests, or used during learning to guide instructions, and the summative tests that are used at the end of a unit or course to evaluate overall learning.
Now let's proceed to the second concept, which is testing. Testing refers to the process of administrating a test. It's the actual act of giving a test to someone. The purpose of testing is to gather data about person's knowledge, skills, or abilities. Testing situations vary widely. It can be a formal exam in a classroom or an online quiz or a practical skills demonstration or even in a simple question and answer session. Now the concept 3 is about measurement. Think of this like a measuring anything else. Measurement is a process of assigning numbers or symbols to characteristics or attributes according to the specific rules. In education, it often involves quantifying students' performance on a test or assignment. Its purpose is to provide objectives, quantifiable data about students' learning. Measurements can be objective, like multiple choice test score, or subjective, like a teacher's rating of a student's presentation skills.
The fourth concept is the evaluation. Evaluation involves making judgments about the worth or value of something. In education, it means interpreting the data gathered through measurement to determine the extent of which learning objectives have been achieved. Its purpose is to make informed decisions about student progress, program effectiveness, and instructional strategies. Evaluation can be formative or ongoing to improve learning, or summative at the end to assess overall achievement. It can also be norm referenced, comparing students to each other, or criterion reference, comparing students to a set of standards. The last concept is the assessment. Assessment is a broad term that encompasses all the ways we gather information about student learning. It's a systematic process of documenting and using empirical data on the knowledge, skill, attitudes, and beliefs to refine programs and improve student learning. Its purpose is to improve student learning and the overall educational process. Assessment includes tests, but it also includes things like observations, portfolios, projects, self-reflections, and peer evaluations. It can be formal or informal, quantitative or qualitative. The key is that it is used to inform instruction and support student growth.
So there you have it, the five key concepts of assessments, which are the test, testing, measurements, evaluation, and assessments. They are all related but serve different purposes. Understanding these concepts can help you be a better learner, a better teacher, or just a more informed observer of the educational process.